Hi there, the Beng Boy over here, and I'm just going to show you how to play Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD, and this is actually a bonus lesson. I did many other songs by Juice WRLD, and I completed the whole album, Legends Never Die. So you can actually check out the playlist, and therefore I just thought to put this lesson out for you guys. And on top of that, this is actually the easiest version of Lucid Dreams by Juice WRLD. Juice WRLD, or you can actually say Shape of My Heart by Sting. Which is actually a lot advanced, and it's actually a bit tricky to play with a lot of stretches and chords with more extension. So it's gonna be a bit hard because the guitar which is going on the backing track of the Lucid Dreams is actually the Shape of My Heart string. So I just thought to put out this lesson for you guys, for the ones who are completely beginners, and I'm pretty sure that this will actually help you out. And this is the most easiest version based on completely open chord, open position, and all stuff. So with no further delay, let's dive in it. But before just going, I just want to say for 20 seconds, please subscribe, guys, because just want to reach 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Because like I'm working really hard, 2-3 months, and I will be working more hard, providing more tabs, better camera quality, better mic quality. Just gonna buy a mic. I'm not getting time, but whenever I just get a time, I'll buy a mic, because now I'm recording is without a mic, so therefore it sounds too bad. But when I buy a mic, the bass notes, you can actually, the sound will be much deeper. So that's what I mean to say. I'm dropping one of these. Let's get started. Now this one is completely the accurate version. So we have the keyboard on the 2nd fret, keeping it easy, but on the other hand also accurate. There will be some slide, hammer on and all, which I'm just gonna show you even with the tabs. So let's dive into the song, but the main thing, the basic first, have a look at the chords. First chord is a E minor, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. The next chord we have for the song used is a G major 7, which is 3, 2, 3, it's mute, 0, 0, 3, 2. D major we have? No, we don't have a D major. We have C major, mute, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. B7, which is 2, mute, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. Then B major, mute, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. A major, which is mute, 0, 2, 2, 2, 0. And that's it. Now if you ask me why I'm showing you the chords, but chords are not required, but still just know the name of the chords. You're just doing finger picking, you're playing the notes from the chords, but you don't know the chords, that can't be too bad. Therefore just learn the chords, pause the video, practice on the chord shapes. If you have any doubt regarding this, feel free to ask me in the comment down below. So you can see the chord progression in the screen. After showing you the finger picking pattern stuff and all, I'm just going to break you the chord progression. But before that, you're just going to have a little idea when I just show you the finger picking stuff, which chord you're playing with note and all. So some basics, use your thumb to play the E string, A string, or the D string. Don't forget, keep on the 2nd fret. We have index finger for the G string, middle finger for the B string, and ring finger for the high E string. Okay, so let's get started. Have a look at the tab part 1. Now you see that X, or you see that cross, how you perceive, it's actually mute. Mute means I'm just having this part of my hand, I'm just keeping it on a string to get everything muted. Mute, mute. So basically we start off with the E minor chord. We play open E string and 3rd fret on the high E string with the thumb and the ring finger. Then you play B string open, then 3rd fret on the high E string, which is still there. So we got, and then we have that X, which means slap or mute. So stop, and then you move on to the next chord, which will be a G major 7. I have 3rd fret on the top E string and 2nd fret on the high E string. I play 3rd fret on the E string and 2nd fret on the high E string together. Then B string open, then again 3rd fret on the high E string. So you see, this pattern is a lot similar, and even for the next C major chord which we have, it's actually the same. So we got, and then we have the C major chord, so hold the C major chord. Now you play the A string 3rd fret and high E string open. And you got the B string, C major chord, hold it. So we have 1st fret on the B string, so 3rd fret on the A string and open, high E string you pluck, then you're plucking the B string, then the high E string open, and then you keep your hand on the string. And after that we have basically we play a C and a B major, what we do is we play third fret on the A string and the open high E string together, and then we have the index finger on the second fret of the A string and a ring pinky on the fourth fret of the B string, which gives us the B major chord. So we got back, back, we have the cross, back, back. So from the beginning it will sound something like this. It's a lot accurate. What you can do is you can even plug the, like when you play the A string and the last two notes, you can even add some multiple notes. You can add some octaves over this. So you can play, I'm playing the A string, B string and high E string together right now. Now this option, the reason I'm not showing that in the tab because it's beginner friendly. And on the B chord you can play the full B chord, the A, G, B. So from the beginning once more, part 1. We repeat that one more time. So in total we actually have the first part 2 times, and then we have the part which is a bit harder than this one. So let's play the part 1 together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have the next part. Have a look at the tab. Oh, we have the start off with the C. But what you do is when you move on the third fret of the A string, we just do a slide from the second fret of the A string. So second fret to third fret. So I do a slide from 2 to 3 on the A string. Then I play first fret on the B string. Then open high E string. Then first fret on the B string. Then I put a pinky on the third fret of the high E string. Then second fret on the high E string. So we got, and then I come to the G major chord shape. I have the third fret on the E string. I have the second fret on the B string. But what I do is I play the G string, I play the E string third fret, open G string, and I play the third fret on the B string. But what I do is I do a hammer on from second to third, which gives us a B note over here, which gives us a D note over here. So you got, and then you do a hammer on. So I'm playing 3 on the E, open on the G, but on that, up top of that, I'm doing a hammer on from B, from 2 to 3 on the B. So you got, sorry. Then I play third fret on the B string, which is still, I'm over here on the G major chord, I'm holding. So it's third fret on the B string and open G string together, then open G string, and then I actually come to the B7 chord, but you don't need to play the full chord over here. B7 chord, I just have this index finger bar. I focus mainly on barring the A string and the G string. So make sure you get the A string and B string bar together second frets, and I play them together. So A2, B2. Then I have my pinky on the fourth fret of the B string. I play that. Then I have my bar again on the high E string. So this one is a bit tricky, I agree. So we play together. I play fourth fret on the B string, and then I play second fret on the high E string, and then come back and play fourth fret on the B string. So yeah. So you got. Now this one is a bit fast. So make sure you also have a look at the rhythm. It doesn't go same all the way. There's some bit like a bar stop and all stuff. So make sure that you keep that in mind. And pro tip, obviously, always hear to the song as much as you can. Obviously, this is a good song and you will hear it a couple of times. And one great thing is this goes throughout the whole song. So we don't have any other stuff to worry about, showing pattern, any other riff or something like that. This is one main thing, and this is done. So we got. And the next part we have is basically a C, but this time we are not playing a C on the open position because there's a reason. We have a hammer on. We do a hammer on, we have third fret on the A string and third fret on the B string. I play them together, and with my pinky I do a hammer on the fifth fret on the B string. Therefore I'm not playing that in the open position. Then I play third fret on the B string, and then I play and hold the C major chord and I play third fret on the A string and first fret on the B string together. So I go ding, 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 ding. And then I actually come to the A major chord, but I'm using a variation which is a A sus, which is mute 0 2 2 0 0. And I strum the chord from the A string till the B string. So we got open, second, second, open. Then I play second fret on the G string, and basically then I do a harmonic. What is a harmonic? I'm having my finger, see this index finger, I'm just putting that on the 14th fret. So this is basically the 14th fret. You see the 0 0 0. There's a reason, a lot of theory based behind this, so just don't want to explain that, but just see what I'm doing. You have your index finger, just place that just on top of that 14th fret. You get over this dot, we have this dot, 12th fret, then we have this dot. Before the dot you got the fret, you just place that over here, and you just like the index finger should be placed from the G string till the high string. Don't press it hard, but very softly, very softly. And then you do a strum basically with your fingers softly, and that's it. You're done. Harmonics, very favorite. So this part. So this is actually done. I just want to play it 2 times more very slowly, so you can obviously pause the videos, just practice, because this will actually take a lot of time. Though it's in the most easiest way, like any way I find. Some guitar tutorial on this song Lucid Dreams or Shape of My Heart, but obviously Shape of My Heart is not related to this, but Lucid Dreams, it's a bit hard, tricky, but it's not like if guitar player who just bought guitar 2 months ago want to play this, he will not be able to play that. Some tricky bar chord shapes are obviously there, so I just want to make this as super easy as possible, but keeping on the other hand it accurate to the song. So here it is. I just want to play it a couple of 2 times, and make sure to subscribe. Again, I told you need to reach 2,000 subscribers. I worked really hard. I did 13 lessons in 24 hours. You can check out my channel, Legend Never Dies, and that's the reason I'm able to complete the whole album in such a short time. So let's play 1 2 3 4. And that's it for this lesson. I hope this helped you out, and make sure to drop me one of these, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.